So if you like despise chunky shoes, I would not get these. These are even bigger than the fila disruptors, which if you know anything about me, you know I love some fila disruptors. Hey guys, it's me. So today we're going to be doing a shoe unboxing because I got a pair of new shoes and they're super cute, so I wanted to make a video about them. So yeah, so we're going to be doing fila, and these are the electrove 2 something amber and white. It says ABLS. I don't know what that stands for. Appleist, girl, I don't know. I got mine in a US size 8, a UK size 5.5, and a European size 39. Kid size, I would be a 6.5. So, even though I don't know if they have these in kid sizes. If they do and they have more cute colorways, let me know. So, these shoes were, I want to say they were 80. Yeah, I want to say they were 80, and I had a 10% off coupon. So they were like 72. Oh, my thing is right here. Cool. So let's see. Oh, this doesn't say the price. It just says when I bought it. Alright, so I ordered them on the 24th. I got them, I want to say yesterday. Today, girl. What is today? Today's the 28th. I think I got these yesterday or the day before. Honestly, I don't remember. But either way, it was like 4 days shipping. Like, yeah, it says it shipped on the 26th. So I probably got it. Girl, what? Today's the 28th and this shipped on the 26th. That means I would have to get it on the 27th. So I guess I got it yesterday. So very good shipping. I wish they had the full price on it, but I'm pretty sure I paid like $73 after tax. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so take this out. Show you guys. Oh, that's not a good angle, so I'll just take it out. So now these shoes are very like Bratz shoes. Like, they are very big. I didn't know that they were this big until I tried it on my foot, and I was like, but yeah, they're very big. Like, your foot stops right here, and then this is just all extra. It has a little bit of platform. It's not too huge, but like, look at the shoe. Hello. Like, if you've watched any of my videos, tell me this shoe isn't for me. Look at those colors. Like, the tongue is that like more minty teal color. Well, like right here, obviously, not the whole thing. Inside has like the mint color for the fila with the teal color, and then it has this on the bottom. These are just freaking adorable. And then the shoelaces are like I don't know how to. They look more braided than usual. I don't know if that's a thing or if I'm just tripping. I'm probably tripping. And then like the tongue is like, and the heel, everything white other than the sole is like a netted material. So yeah, it's like a netted, if you can see it, it's like a netted material, the white. These are like a rubber, it feels like. Honestly, I don't know the actual materials. I'm just telling you what they feel like. So these are like a rubber. They say fila and pink all over them, and then the front have like that mint color inside. This part feels more like a leather, and then it's a pink with the mint lines running through it. The sole all feels like the sole material. I don't know what the hell it is, but this part right here is more of like a rubber again, like these sections. This part is more like a rubber, the mint right here. So yeah, I put these on. Like I said, they're very big on your feet. So if you like despise chunky shoes, I would not get these. These are even bigger than the fila disruptors, which if you know anything about me, you know I love some fila disruptors, but they're even bigger than those. I would say I've never had a pair of Balenciagas, but when you look at a pair of Balenciagas, I feel like this is what they look like on your foot. If that gives any kind of like reference. They're probably bigger than these, but when I looked at my foot, I was like, yo, those are big, but they're not big enough to be not cute. And also another comparison would be like the Buffalo London shoes. You know how they're very like big? I would say that these are the same, except for they go outwards instead of like that big old platform, if that makes any sense. Like they're more long, elongated, and the Buffalo Londons are more like down, but they're still, you know what I'm trying to say, you know. So yeah, I got these straight from the Fila website. They should still be in stock because they just did a restock, and that's how I got these. So yeah, I'm gonna put the links down below. I'm trying to think if I should put this one up first or the one I just filmed, because they might go out of stock faster and the other stuff won't really go out of stock that I filmed last video. So I'm thinking that I might put this one up first, just because I want you guys to actually be able to get them. I don't know. I'll probably put it up next because they keep restocking them anyway. So I'll put my I just filmed a birthday, what I got for my birthday haul, which what I'm sitting in right now, watch me swing, is a part of it. So if you wanted to go, if you're interested on where I got this swinging chair with the cushion and the stand, all for less than $3, I would go watch that video. So yeah, that was my shoe unboxing. Like I said, they do have other colors of that was just more a me colorway, but the shoe itself is very cute. So if you wear, like, I feel like that would be really cute with skirts or like baggy pants that kind of like go over your shoe a little bit, but your shoe still has its moment. I feel like that would be a very cute option. It depends on if you want to look like a Bratz doll or Spice Girl, or like if your fashion is more towards that. If you're more like a Vans person, I don't think you're gonna like those because I despise Vans. So yeah, that was it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.